If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in The Sims 4, follow these simple steps to optimize your game and resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the game's connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your game launcher and install any available patches. Step 4. Clear cache files. Navigate to the game's cache folder and delete any cache files. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 5. Disable mods and custom content. If you are using mods or custom content, temporarily disable them to see if they're causing the issue. You can do this by moving the mods folder out of the game directory. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Matchmaking Error 2025 in The Sims 4. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Happy gaming!